Welcome to the Austin Library, where dreams are had and I am afraid. I want to stay here. Cool, that's a train. That's right there, on the bridge.
Look at that, train crossing the bridge.
I've never seen that before. All of a sudden, my immense fear of heights just became slightly less fear.
Okay, yeah, it's crossing that bridge right across the water. That's real pretty.
That's a train. Across a bridge.
Yeah, a little track.
A few hundred feet away, and I can see it.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Real slow.
It is very high.
Yeah.
I've never seen a train here.
I've been living here almost 30 years, and I've never seen a train cross that bridge. I just never been here at this time. Let's go look at the city.
I wish it was actually kind of closer. Hopefully this is in 1080 and not. I mean, it looks crappy on my phone since I have like 420p set up on camera view when it's zoomed in, but whatever. I'm watching the trains. Why? There's a train. I don't know. Never actually seen a train there. Oh, that's a long train. I don't know if I should get the whole thing or not. It's going like half a mile per hour. And these trains are normally pretty long. Meh. If the video suddenly cuts off, just assume I ran out of data.
Okay, let's go walk around the rest of the library and see it, okay?
Okay. Alright, yeah, I can't catch the rest of the train, but that's a train from a skyscraper. That's nice.